Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to Learn English with Sial. Today we will learn the lecture personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns and the uses of personal pronouns, and after the end of this lecture you have to attempt your background knowledge about this lecture. So let's start our lecture today. Personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? So, pronoun can place noun or another pronoun to avoid the repetition. For example, in this sentence, Mary is my sister. She is my sister. And then we use pronoun like he, she, her, us, them to make our sentences less repetitive and less cumbersome, and told Robert that Robert was her best friend. She told him that he was her best friend. So highlighted are the personal pronouns. There are some classification of personal pronouns. There are three categorization of personal pronouns: subjective personal pronouns, objective personal pronouns, possessive personal pronouns, and reflexive personal pronouns. A subjective personal pronouns mean when we use a pronoun as a subject, so we can call it this is a subjective personal pronoun. Like she is a teacher, so she is a personal pronoun. We are the champion, so we is the personal pronoun. And then objective personal pronouns indicates as pronouns is acting as object, like me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. Like Charles told him the truth, so him is a personal pronoun as an objective. Then a possessive pronouns to indicate the possessions and ownership of the noun, like mine, yours, his, hers, its, yours, theirs. This is mine car. For example, this car is mine. Then a reflexive pronouns used to just refer back the action to the subject of the sentence, like myself, yourself, himself, herself. Addition of self with singular and the addition of selves with the plurals personal pronouns, like Mary looked at herself in the mirror. Now some activities. It's your turn. Let's start. The answer is she burned herself. The answer is she loves him. The answer is give, give me back my pencil. The answer is they are my teacher. The answer is it's your. It means yourself. She is the answer. She is 10 years old. They made themselves a coffee. This suit is his.